Yo, what's up? It's your boy Marwin. Today we're making a spiced lemon butter shrimp recipe. Heavy on the spices, lots of flavor, big taste, aroma, and fire texture as well. Topped with that nice seasoned lemon butter sauce. The spice mix is basically a homemade piri piri. That's with ginger, paprika, brown sugar, salt, cardamom, garlic, pepper, black pepper, oregano, and those pepper flakes. I use piri piri because I had some, but you can use just any types of red pepper flakes. Give those a nice mix, set those to the side. We start working on our shrimp. I'm cooking these with shell on because I want the flavor and I also want to protect them. I don't want to overcook these. I'm going to peel later. But to prep, I'm cutting off the heads, cutting off the legs, and then the rest is just going to be going right in the pan. You do want to devein these, pulling those those black dirty veins out of the spine of the shrimp. As you see me here, it's just nice scissors work, or like a smaller sharp knife. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil just so that the spices stick to the shells when I'm cooking. And I'm going to season these generously with that spice mix that I've created. And we're going to season as I go. Season the pan with a little more of that olive oil. I got some butter I'm going to drop in here, and then more of that seasoning to create the base that I want. This is really what the shrimp is about. Cooking shrimp is like really easy, but getting that flavor requires a little bit of finesse, a little bit of technique. It's going to melt the butter along with the spice mix. Add that lemon juice that we talked about. So that's my lemon butter piece along with the spices. Give it a nice mix. But cook it on low heat. Don't want to cook these too high because the butter will burn, and also the shrimp cooks really fast, so just want to be mindful of that. But we do want to sear, so it can't be so light. So add my shrimp, and I'm going to cook these until they start to turn a little bit like that pink or orange color that you'll notice. Basting these in that butter, just again adding like flavor on flavor on flavor. Get those layers, that layered effect, which is what we're going for here. So after about a minute or two, we're going to go on the flip and then add more of that nice seasoning. Did I say we're going to go heavy on the seasoning? Heavy on the seasoning. That's what we're doing here. And we got the makings of a really, really, really good dish. That spice mix is something that you can use on chicken, you can use on eggs, you can use on other dishes. It's just really, really, really tasty. It goes on vegetables also. But that's it. And so now we're just going to plate. I plate this simply. This is kind of more of an appetizer for me. So I'm just going to stack these up on a plate, nice and high and tight, and then drip, 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 drip that pan sauce over the top of the shrimp. You can put it on the side and dip if you want, but hey, I'm kind of messing Mario in here with this one. Add more seasoning for color, for flavor, for looks. Garnish these with some nice green onions, and we're good to go. We're gonna serve these up. So, hey, get a little bit of that sauce. You see these heavily seasoned, and enjoy these. If you dig the dish, as always, leave a like or a comment. Most importantly, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and get recipes to your inbox each week when I post new content. Thanks for vibing with me. Peace out. See you next week.